Welcome back into our new videos on how to better yourself. In this video, we will show you 15 practical ways on how to better yourself. Make the most of yourself, for that is all there is of you. Ralph Waldo Emerson. We've all made mistakes throughout our lives that haven't exactly put us in the best light, like bullying someone in school or telling what seemed like a little white lie. Chances are, however, you probably felt a little guilt and grew because of the situation. I'm an average guy trying to become better in both my work and home life. I'll never be perfect, but it doesn't mean I won't try. If you want to continue to grow as a person, here are 15 ways to make the most of yourself. 1. Compliment yourself. Every morning before you go on with your daily routine, take a couple of minutes to give yourself a compliment. Whether you compliment your outfit, haircut, or how you recently completed a task using your unique skill sets, giving yourself a little emotional boost will make you happy. And, when you're happy with yourself, that emotion can be contagious to those around you. Inspirational speaker Tony Robbins has a mantra he says aloud to himself most days to put him in a peak performance state. 2. Don't make excuses. Blaming your spouse, boss, or clients is fruitless and won't get you very far. Instead of pointing fingers and making excuses about why you aren't happy or successful in your personal or professional life, own your mistakes and learn from them. When you do this, you will become a better person. When I personally started living up to my mistakes and downfalls, my life turned itself around. I became happier and healthier, and my relationship with my wife improved. We are happier than ever. 3. Let go of anger. Letting go of anger is easier said than done. While anger is a perfectly normal emotion, you can't let it fester. When this happens, you may make unwise decisions, and more important, it may affect your health. Research suggests pent-up anger can cause digestive problems, difficulty sleeping, and even heart disease. To help you let go of anger, Roya R. Rad, M.A., PsyD, suggests you write your feelings down, pray or meditate, or begin to manage your thoughts. 4. Practice forgiveness. Joyce Martyr, LCPC, suggests you forgive and let go of resentment. She notes, if for no other reason than for yourself, forgive to untether yourself from the negative experiences of the past. Take time to meditate, and give thanks for the wisdom and knowledge gained from your suffering. Practice the mantra, I forgive you and I release you. 5. Be honest and direct. How would you feel if a loved one or business partner lied to you? Chances are you would see that as a violation of your trust. If you want to be a better person in either your personal or professional life, you should always tell the truth and state as clearly as possible what you are trying to convey. Learn to articulate your thoughts, feelings, and ideas in an open and honest manner. 6. Be helpful. Whether giving up your seat to an elderly person on the subway, assisting a coworker on a project, or carrying in the groceries when your spouse comes back from the store, being helpful is one of the easiest and most effective ways to practice becoming a better person. I find that the more I help others, the better I feel about myself and everyone around me. 7. Listen to others. As Jeet Banerjee notes on Lifehack, listening to people and giving everyone a voice is one of the greatest things you can do. He adds that he got to meet some of the most amazing people, close some of the biggest deals, and develop connections that will last me a lifetime, all because I took time to listen to people. Being a good listener can change your life in a positive manner. 8. Act locally. It may not seem like a big deal, but supporting a local cause, donating clothes, or buying from local farmers markets or businesses are simple ways you can help your specific region. You may not be able to save the world, but you very well could make a difference in your neck of the woods. Get to know and care about your community. 9. Always be polite. How much effort does it take to say thank you, or to hold the elevator door open for someone? Not much at all. However, these acts of kindness can make someone's day. I decided a few years ago that it doesn't matter if someone is ultra rude, condescending, or worse. The way someone else behaves is not going to determine my behavior. 10. Be yourself. Tiffany Mason has 5 excellent reasons for Lifehack why you should be yourself. These include being able to align yourself with your values and beliefs, establish your identity, build courage, create boundaries, and find focus and direction. 11. Be open to change. Whether trying a new restaurant, traveling to an unknown part of the world, or doing something that has always scared you, you should always be open to change. This allows you to grow because you experience something new. It helps you be high-functioning and self-confident if you are not wary of change. 12. Be respectful. How would you feel if you had just cleaned your home and someone came in and tracked mud everywhere? You'd probably be a little ticked that they hadn't taken off their shoes. Take this mentality and apply it to everyday life. For example, don't toss your trash or cigarette butts on the floor of public restrooms or sidewalks just because someone else will clean it up. Be respectful of others' time, thoughts, ideas, lifestyles, feelings, work, and everything else. You don't have to agree with any of it, but people have a right to their opinions and yours is not necessarily correct. 13. Don't show up empty-handed. Going to a party this weekend at your friend's apartment. Make sure you don't arrive empty-handed. Even if you've been assured that there will be plenty of food and drink, bring along a little something to show you appreciate being invited. 14. Educate yourself. If you don't understand why one country is invading another, take the time to educate yourself on the current event. Ask a person intimately connected with the event for his or her thoughts. Remember, we're all interconnected, and being aware of different cultures, different people, and what their lives are like can make you a more well-rounded individual. This will also help you understand points of view different from your own. 15. Surprise people. How well does it feel to make someone smile? It feels pretty good, right? Surprise your loved ones or coworkers now and then, with a gift, a night out on the town, or by offering help when you know they could use it. Becoming a better person doesn't happen overnight, but it is possible. Believe in yourself and know that it is possible. What other tips have you found useful for becoming a better person? We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making. If so, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss our new videos.